Guys, welcome back to QA Crunch. This is Roshan. Today we are going to see implicit wait in Selenium WebDriver. So in the previous session we saw what's meant by synchronization and what all the types in it. So today we will be seeing one of its type which is called implicit wait. So this implicit wait comes in a package of java.util.concurrent.TimeUnit. This implicit wait will be declared at only once. Okay, once you have been instantiated your driver, okay, WebDriver, you need to use the syntax to tell that you are going to use this implicit wait for this whole of your program. So you don't need to have to implicit wait need to be done for all of your codes. Okay, I mean for each line of code, like for particular web element, if you are going to wait, you will be using explicit wait. So we will be seeing later what's mean by that. Whereas in this implicit wait will be just giving us the first line of the code. I mean in the once you declare the WebDriver. Okay, so now let's see how it can be used in your code. So this is as usual. I'm using system.set property to set the driver instance and passing that driver exe here. This already we have seen how to instantiate Chrome driver. Okay, now let me go to the implicit wait. So for implicit wait we have a syntax like driver dot manage dot timeout. So this is all the methods which is already predefined in it. We are just going to use those methods. Here this implicit wait, okay, in this I need to pass the two parameters here. The first parameter is the value which I am going to wait for a particular amount of time. So here I am going to wait for, assume as I am going to wait for 10 seconds, and then I am going to pass this what's the time unit for this. So here the time unit I can give anything like seconds, days, hours, but I don't think days, hours, it doesn't make sense of using as automation. So we will be going with the seconds. Okay, so now I have specified this time unit. It waits for the 10 seconds for any of the web element in this driver instance. So this is a kind of lifetime implicit wait, lifetime wait for this driver. If any of the web element is not there, it will be waiting for 10 seconds, and after the 10 seconds only it will be throwing you the exception. So until if it's 10 seconds, between 10 seconds, if it's able to find that particular locator, okay, it is able to locate the elements, it will be clicking, or it can be done any operations, and it will be doing it, and it will be going to the next line of the code. Right, now let me show you the simple example in my site. Okay, here I want to click this manual test. Okay, so before manual test, clicking this manual test, let me go and have a negative scenario here. I'm just going to give driver dot find element dot by dot xpath. Here I'm giving some test. This element is not present in my site. If you see here, I don't have any test. Okay, if you search by using this xpath test, I won't get any kind of elements. So if I get this, it will be throwing me the no such element, some exceptions. Okay, so I want to click this test. Okay, I need to do this, but my intention is I need to check whether this waits for 10 seconds of time, okay, to get this exception. So it will be throwing some no such element exception. So it will be waiting for 10 seconds and then it need to throw me the error. Okay, so now I will run this. Let's see what happens. It opens the browser. So waiting. So driver instance will open the Chrome browser and it will be launching me the https qacrunch.in. So once going there, it will be checking the particular element in DOM. Oops, I think I have not given the driver.get. I need to give that driver. I will give below this. Open the browser here, driver.get. So URL is, I can just copy paste this URL. I will close this. Okay, so now let me run again. So at this time it will be opening the browser for me, and it will be going to the particular URL, and it will be searching for a element with the name test in a DOM. So here we don't have any element like that, so we will be getting a error for that, no such element, but it will wait for a 10 seconds before throwing this error. You can see here it waits. So hope by ticking on the clock, so I think it waits for 10 seconds. See, now you could see here, after waiting for particular 10 seconds, it will be throwing me the error as no such element. You can see here it waits for a timeout as duration 10 seconds. Okay, here you can see throws me the error. Okay, here you can see no such element. Right, so now let me have a valid scenario, and let's see whether it waits for 10 seconds or it goes and just clicks that. Okay, so I will open DOM and get the XPath for this. So hope you know the XPath, how to find the XPath. If you are not able to find that, please go to the previous tutorials and you can find XPath in it. That's a tutorial how to find the XPath. You can use that. So I'm going to use contains text using this manual test. I think it's not getting, one sec. What happens? Contains text. Again, I think I have missed that 2 brackets. Yes, so now you could see here manual test has been highlighted. I will be copying this and I will be coming here and I am passing this XPath here. This is a valid XPath. So now I will run this. Let's see what happens. Here it should not wait for 10 seconds. Once it gets this manual testing in the DOM, it will be clicking it and it won't be waiting for the specified time. Let's see. It opens the browser, going to the QACrunch.in. Now it will be searching for the particular element. That is nothing but a manual testing. Yes, if you see here, see it has been done. It has clicked that. It doesn't wait for the 10 seconds which we specified. So this is the beauty of this implicit wait. This is applicable. This line of code is applicable throughout the lifetime of this driver. So you no need to specify, you no need to have for each element waiting time. So this 10 seconds will be implemented for throughout this element. So wherever in upcoming codes, if you do any kind of operations, this implicit wait of 10 seconds will be applicable to the all the elements of this program. Right, so hope you got an idea on this implicit wait. Okay, just work on it. If you have any doubts, please leave your comments. If you like this channel, please subscribe it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.